Hey there! Are you tired of struggling to make money with affiliate marketing? Do you want to learn how to make your first $10,000 per month without having an audience? Well, you're in luck because I'm going to show you how to do just that. First, let me tell you that making money with affiliate marketing is not as hard as it seems. All you need is the right strategy, and you'll be on your way to making a full-time income online. So, how do you make your first $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing? The key is to focus on promoting high-ticket products that offer high commissions. You don't need a massive audience to do this, but you do need to have a solid plan in place. Here are the steps you need to take. 1. Find high-ticket products to promote that offer commissions of at least $500 per sale. 2. Create a high-converting landing page to promote these products. 3. Drive traffic to your landing page using paid traffic sources such as Google Ads, Facebook ads, or YouTube ads. 4. Use retargeting ads to follow up with your prospects and increase your conversion rates. 5. Keep optimizing your campaigns to improve your results and scale up your earnings. By following these steps, you can make your first $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing without having a massive audience. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing this strategy today and watch your income soar. And hey, while you're working on implementing these steps to make your first $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing, make sure to hit that subscribe button below to join our community of like-minded individuals who are all on their way to financial freedom through affiliate marketing. By subscribing to our channel, you'll get access to exclusive tips, tricks, and strategies that will help you grow your online business even faster. You don't want to miss out on this valuable content, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss a video. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is all about taking action and implementing the right strategies. So, don't wait any longer, hit that subscribe button now, and let's start making money together.